Hi guys, I'm to show this video here after they did the grading work. You can see that steep slope. Okay, here they saved topsoil pile. Later they were separate on the slope and any disturbed area. You can see topsoil is there to do seed and straw for erosion control practice. And here you can see they poured concrete for piers, for columns. You can see here metal forms, and they set the anchor bolts, 1-inch anchor bolt all the way down, put area to grade, put stone to grade here. And here they started to do like partial of the slab. So here you can see expansion joint, smooth dowel, 3/4 inch, 14 inches long. You can see they put plastic 20 inch, 20 mil thickness vapor barrier plastic, and wire mesh. Okay, and you can see the electrical conduit here. They run electrical conduit, so they sit back, they will pour that slab, and then later they will pour turn down, so that will be expansion joint here between the new concrete and the existing concrete. Here you can see diamond. They put the 1/2-inch black board with the white strip at the top. And you can see here they support it with nail. Okay, that's what they used. That was their piece of wire. And nail it down. And here you can see, as I said, smooth down. Same thing over there. Ready to pour concrete. They have light, projector lights. And here you can see here that's for expansion joints, ready to use. And here you can see they form that section. Here you can see overlap between wire mesh, like 1 foot overlap. Same thing here. Over there you have electrical box, conduit. You can see they put tape good. You can see plastic tape, red tape. They cover that's floor electrical boxes. And here they put sand around those conduit just in case. And here there's box of sand for that anchor bolt. Later they will pour diamonds, so they fill it with sand just in case no concrete will be filled that diamond. So you see what they did here. So same thing over there. Yeah, plumbing, electrical conduit on place, fire line. And here you can see they put sand around it just in case if they need to adjust it. So here you can see fire line. You can see expansion joint, and here smooth dowel. So that's, as I said, that's partial of the slab, and later they will pour another section for slab work. Yeah, and that's the machine here. That's the machine to pour the concrete. They will use that machine. You can see they will use that machine with sensor, GPS, when they will pour concrete. That's a big machine for big slab. there is some small machines, you know. And here you can see the top elevation for slab. So they will pour that section first. When they're done, they'll pour the other section using that machine. And there's here those already smooth dowels, you know. Stone to grade, everything is good to grade. Material on site, steel structure delivered, you can see is there set on stone area. Okay guys, yeah, you can see diamond, that's the choke line, you know, that's pin center with column with the bolt. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. I'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.